Hi, Suji. Happy Valentine's Day. Hi. It's minus 18 today. It's very cold. So why don't we eat lunch first? Why don't we have Valentine's lunch together? And then we can go out for a walk. Is this okay for you? Today, I'm gonna make hummus. Probably you know how to make hummus. Make everything, just basically blend everything. Add chickpea, rinsed canned chickpea, lemon juice, garlic powder, 1, 2, salt, black pepper. By the way, I bought new pepper mill. Touch of oil. I use olive oil. 1, 2, 3, and then a touch of water. You can use oil, but just I wanna make it lighter. Last but not least, you need sesame butter or sesame paste. I use this Beats sesame butter from Parallel. I wanna put this on maybe tablespoon or so. Oh, nice. Yes. Oh, look at this, how creamy it is. Actually, this one looks like a strawberry gelato. Very nice. Yesterday I went to the local bakery and then I bought something very special. Ta-da! Heart-shaped bagel. I'm gonna toast it. Oh my gosh, this heart shape. Hi! I'm sure you're gonna get some bagel, but it's a little hot now, so please wait. Shall we eat, Such? Buon appetito! Wait. Ooh, it's going to be a little hot, so I'm gonna save a bit, but I'm gonna cool down for you, okay? You're gonna get some, but you have cat tongue. Nekojita. Wait a minute. Okay, Suchan. Oh my god. Happy Valentine's Day. Good girl. It's chewy, eh? How do you like it? So you approve? I read the book. When you make food, it tastes better. Psychology. Woohoo! And I think it's true. Such. Last piece. Make sure camera is focusing on you. You like it? Good girl. Good job. Good.